All right, guys, we're going to learn how to solve the sort the odds challenge in Codewars. Given an array, return a new array where all the even numbers stay in the same indexes, but the odd numbers are sorted. How to do this? I'm going to take advantage of array.shift and sparse arrays. Right? So const final, this will be our final array, is equal to a new array where its length is the same as arr.length from the argument here. Creates a sparse array, and then I'll do let odds equals to an empty array. This keeps all of our odd numbers. First thing we do, very simple for loop, looping over the original array that they passed in. And we're going to check for two things. One, we're going to check if the current number is even. So if AR at I divided by 2 has no remainder, we know that it's even, right? If it's even, we can do final array at I is equal to AR at I. Else, if it's odd, then we do odds dot push, and we're going to push in AR at I as well. Okay. So after this for loop, if I console.log our current, we see that we get an array where all the even numbers stayed in its original index. Now, one thing we have to take care of is that the odds array are not sorted. So let's sort that. Odds equal to odds dot sort. Very simple sort, and it returns A minus B. After we sort that, I'm going to do another for loop, let I equal to 0, but this time we're going to loop through our final array dot length, final dot length, I plus plus. And then I'm going to check to see if each index is a sparse index. If it is a sparse index, then I'm going to push in one of the odd values. There are a few ways to check for sparse indexes, but I think the best way is you can check if, hey, does the final array has own property, oh my gosh, I can't spell, has own property of the index. Okay? Because all arrays in JavaScript are just actually objects where its keys are the indexes. Okay? So a sparse array does not have a key of the index. So if it doesn't, then we can literally say final at I will be equal to odds.shift. And I do .shift, so I don't have to worry about doing the correct indexes for the odds array. Shift will pop off the first value of the array. Okay. So after both these for loops are done, if I do console.log final, let's see what we get. Okay. So you see on the left, all of the even numbers, including 0, stayed in their same indexes, but all the odds got sorted. Like 1 came first and 9 came second to last, just like this. Cool, right?